Come on.
I wish I had a video camera when I was like 16.
Come on. I have a book I'm reading. I want to get back to it. I need you to stand up first.
No.
Stupid cat.
Cat!
She's getting fat.
Marsha, let's show. I thought it was zero.
Jesus Christ. Was that a girly girl squeak or what?
Wearing pink, high-pitched screeches? I don't know, Ryan.
I sure should.
And every other day, all I hear is, oh, I need my eyebrows done.
Guys, they're like...
Wolverine?
Ooh. You've seen Wolverine from the comic books, right? There is no
From the
two eyebrows.
X-Men.
That's just... He's worse than Bert.
Come on, stand up. I have things to do, places to go.
Nice
Now you
one.
sound like Chris.
Technically, it would be Chris sounds like me.
Okay, well, you can't bitch at him. Say excuse me.
Just because I say it doesn't mean he doesn't.
Watch out his feet.
Then you wonder why she never brings anybody over here.
I don't hit Alex.
No, that's right. Dad does. He mess with me all the time.
No, he runs you over with the van.
That's just that makes it so much better. He runs me over with that
Baby, there's
car,
no
he
space right now.
Yes, there is.
Are you guys going to eat all those fish sticks? You want more?
No. I think that's enough.